This gets into plasma and theories about plasma petrification, which would tie into things like Medusa and the plasma apocalypse and that sort of thing. And you can see that electrodes are burning this fractal shape. So this is very similar, identical, in fact, to what we see all over the Earth when looking from above on Google Earth, looking at they're known as Lichtenberg figures. So this is just volcanic activity. The volcanic ash is a wonderful conductor, and it leads to all these electrical storms. And then these are examples of Lichtenberg figures all across the Earth. And the biggest example of that would be the Grand Canyon. So they want us to believe that a river formed this, but when you think about this sort of thing, the idea is that these little tiny rivulets all had enough water going down, and then that formed this channel. And I no longer believe that that's the case. This is a photograph from the largest electrical storm ever seen. And again, imagine if there were 1,000 different volcanoes all doing this at the same time and block out the sun. It would completely change our climate. There's so many things that would happen. This is a Fresnel's lens. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but it's basically just a magnifying glass, and it's concentrating the light of the sun, and it will literally turn stone to glass in a matter of moments. Let's see if the sound is.
Damn.
So if we do live under a dome and the dome functioned like a magnifying glass and there was a major plasma storm, then you could sure melt a lot of stuff that way.
Damn. Yeah.
So I'm just going to skip through these real quick because each one of these is a presentation in and of itself. But supernatural petrification, we talked about that. These different mythological stories that touch on things, Sodom and Gomorrah, people being turned to pillars of salt, glittering sword of God. These are examples of man-made petrification.